What's going on, everyone? 我是麦克老师，新年快乐 Happy New Year! I'm here at the Asia market here in southern Florida. We are gonna go in and buy some dumpling wrappings and all the ingredients you need to make dumplings. Been in the US about 3 months now, so kind of missing my dumplings. So the plan is we're just gonna make a ton of these things today. I don't even know how many. We're gonna eat them for dinner tonight, but we're also gonna distribute a bunch of them to my parents' neighbors, give them a little taste of authentic Chinese dumplings, and wish them a happy Lunar New Year. So let's go in and see what kind of goodies we can find. Oh yeah, this place got all the good stuff. Mostly Korean and Chinese imported stuff. So I see some bibimbap, some dim sum. I mean, we could cheat and just buy the dumplings, but that's no fun. Baozi up here too. A little bit of everything. What the heck is this? Kind of looks like... Here we go. This is the secret sauce, beifang. 还有上海饺子. Oh, what's this? 美国制造的火锅底料，多少钱？13块美金. Got all the goods we need from the Asian market. We're gonna make one more stop at a butcher to find a very special ingredient. I don't know if it's ever been tried in dumplings, in the history of dumplings. It's gonna be a true fusion of Florida and China. All right, I'm at the butcher, and we're gonna see if they have some Florida alligator that we can put in these dumplings. And I've had alligator a long time ago. It was much better than I thought, but I haven't had Florida alligator, much less in a dumpling. Let's check it out. Not only did I find alligator, I found the mother lode of all kinds of meat. Check this out. Here's the gator. A little expensive, but it's wild gator. $23.99, about $24. Ground kangaroo, ground rabbit, ground antelope, ground elk. I've had that, that's good. Wild boar, ooh, ground ostrich. They also have duck sausage and buffalo sausage here. What do I get? I'm actually kind of thinking ostrich might be interesting now. I don't know. Kangaroo? Alright, I'm gonna go with what I said I'd get. And hey buddy.
What is this? Ice cream?
No, it's not ice cream.
What is it?
I don't know, it's duck fat. Alright, so we're mixing up the jiaozi filling. And we got pork and shrimp. And of course, a little bit of alligator. Looking at this package, check this out right here. Alligator kung pao. 这是宫保鹅定. Is that a real thing? We got the recipe right here on the back of the package. So apparently I'm not the first one to try some Florida alligator and fuse it with some Chinese recipes. It's still frozen, so I gotta give it some time, let it thaw out, and then we'll cut it up.
1 hour later.
There they are, all packed up for the neighbors. You think they're gonna like them?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you listening to? Alright, just printing out some little cards. Got the Chinese New Year. Got a very nice Bible verse on there. This is the day which the Lord has made. Just rejoice and be glad in it. Psalms 118:24. And, oh, it's upside down. And some basic instructions in English. Now it's time for me to do some gator dumplings. Here we go. King Creole, sirloin, alligator meat. Wild, not farmed, wild. It's not ground, so I'm just gonna have to use this knife and just chop it really finely. Super lean, there's like really no fat on it, which I kind of expected. So some alligator juice in here. Gotta dump it out. Can I drink it? No. Oh, interesting, it feels just like chicken, but it smells fishy. Alright, there we have it. Bunch of minced gator. I'm not actually gonna give these to the neighbors because that would just be weird. I'm gonna try it myself first, but if they want one, I'll gladly let them try. Time to mix it with the pork and all the other seasonings and boil them up. Or should I fry them? I don't know yet. 那这个鹅鱼馅儿就混好了，那我们来包一下饺子。What is that?
It really stinks.
Do you know what it is? Don't eat it.
Stinky popcorn.
No, it's alligator.
What? What the heck?
I think it's actually going to be much better than I thought. Maybe a little bit like frog legs. I'm not quite sure yet. Only one way to find out.
A few moments later.
There we have it. About a dozen gator dumplings. You gonna eat one? It's a gator dumpling.
Ooh.
There's pork and other things too. Oh, you want only gator? Should I give these to all the neighbors? What? Or we just eat them tonight ourselves? Yeah, maybe we just better eat them. Yeah! Let the neighbors try the real stuff, not this fake Florida Chinese fusion stuff. All the dumplings are stacked. Cards are prepared. So we delivered the first batch of dumplings to some people that came over just to have a little glass of wine on the driveway and a little social happy hour that happens frequently in this neighborhood. They were all overjoyed, but some people weren't able to make it tonight, so we're gonna go hand deliver them. Come on, 小麦，小麦也来了. Come on, buddy. Hello.
Hi, how are you? Happy New Year.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. You are so
These are courtesy of my lovely wife.
Oh,
It's Chinese New Year's Day.
so sweet.
Dumplings. He actually helped.
Oh my
the child.
gosh. Could you come over here sometime and help me cook?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that,
Mommy and Daddy would love that.
We could make cookies someday.
That
Sounds like a deal to me.
I like your sandwich.
Yeah, oh, thank you. I do
I
too.
like the flower.
Oh, I do too.
Another delivery. We'll just leave it at the door and I'll send them a text, okay?
Why is it not here?
He's in the why phase of his life. Everything. Why? Why is this? Why is that? I don't get it. It's fun, but it's draining. I should start a dumpling delivery business here in America. It seems to be going over pretty well. Well, our work today is done, and now it's time to go home and eat the dumplings we have left, including the alligator dumplings, which I'm personally excited about. Look at this guy. He's in a hurry to get home. He wants some dumplings. It's Chinese New Year in Florida. It's just beautiful here in the evenings. It cools down a little bit, beautiful sunsets, palm trees. Quite like it here. All right, we got some fried dumplings here, plasticers, and we got boiled ones here. These are the gator ones right in here. Should I tell my mom that there's alligator in there? I might, but I might not. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. We got dumplings. I should say, 锅贴 plasticers. Yeah.
Can I have one?
I know, you can't wait, can you?
Yeah,
He loves dumplings. It's been way too long since you have dumplings, huh?
Hey, save some for us.
I'm just gonna forewarn everybody, there are a few of them that are made with alligator. But all the other ones have pork and shrimp. All right, here we go. Possibly the world's first ever alligator dumpling. Prove me wrong. Wow! It's really good. It's a little more firm like fish, not a fishy flavor. It's a little more gamey, but it still tastes fine. I would say China Florida fusion dumplings are a success. Except for the price, 24 bucks for those things. I've been missing dumplings so much. So is this guy. You missing dumplings? Yeah. This guy has a bottomless pit of a stomach when it comes to dumplings. Don't you?
I like the alligator and the finger. Ah, the fish.
All the what? Tenguno.
Huh?
Successful Chinese New Year, even though we're not in China. Hope all the neighbors enjoy the dumplings. I know I am. We should have had fireworks, but I wasn't thinking ahead. Maybe we can go out and get some tonight. Hope you guys had a great Chinese New Year as well. 春节快乐.
I love them. I miss them. I just want to eat them so much. This is healthy.
下次再见.